Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. God bless you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. As you do, God bless you. If you are subscribed before, thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Na good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening. Anywhere una dey, una for dey watch my video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today, we wan learn how to treat our face. Oil wey dey our face, how to dey treat am, and spot wey dey our face, we want to dey learn how to dey treat am. But before we go learn how to treat am, if today na your first time wey dey see my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that if I put any video, you go know. No forget to like, comment, share to your loved ones. Thank you. God bless you. But if you don't first subscribe to my YouTube channel before, thank you. God bless you. First thing we wan learn today to take dey treat our face, spot wey dey our face. First thing na avocado. See an avocado pear. This one we go use am for our face today. Then the second one, egg. We go use am to treat our face today. The third one, lemon. But this one na optional. But if I don dey teach una how to do am, I will tell una why una go put am, why una no go put am. Thank you. God bless you. Follow me, may we go prepare all of them. Thank you. God bless you. So this one our avocado. When I first talk just now, say now we want use. So see the way it be. Now we want cut this avocado. So we'll cut am. We'll carry the side where we say we want use come out. Continue watching. After we don cut am, see the way inside be. So now the inside now we need. We don't need the back. Now the inside we need. So we need to peel the back comot so that we go create am. Continue watching. After I don peel am, so I want create am. So if you no want blend am, you fit still create am as I dey do my own. So just dey create am like this so that make it smooth. This one na lemon. When I first talk, say na optional. Why we want put this lemon? Make this avocado for not black, because avocado dey quick dey black. Then you create am like this. We need the peel of the lemon, and the peel now we need. We don't need the juice. So we need tablespoon of the peel of the lemon. Now we need. So you create am as I dey create my own. So after we don create am, see the peel. This one na 1 tablespoon. So we'll add and join that our avocado. Then we mix am together. So after I don put am, we want mix. So you mix am together. As I dey mix my own, so mix am together. Mix am well. Just the mix am so that all of them go mix together. All of them go form together. So just mix am well. As I dey do my own. So just the mix am well. Match everything together. Mix am well so that all of them go smooth together. Mix am well. Then this one na egg. We need the egg white. So we don't need the yolk. And the egg white we need for this recipe. So see the egg white. You break am, start do my own like this. So you comot the egg white, keep the yolk, because now the egg white now we need. We don't need the yolk. So you do it like this as I do my own. So like this. Make sure say you comot the egg white, make yolk not follow am. Then you keep the yolk aside. Then just stir the egg white. Stir and make sure do am make it foam well so that it go mix together well. Just dey stir as I dey stir am. So just dey stir am like this as I dey do my own. So after I don stir my own finish, see the way it come foam. So make sure say you do your own like this, make full. Then you turn out to the avocado. Then you mix. Mix it very well. Just the mix am, make all of them mix together. Just the mix am. After I don mix am, see the way it come be. Our face mask is ready. Now you are good to go. So now we go put am for our face. Make we see the way it go be later after we don wash am. We'll put am for our face now. Here we see. So see the way it can be. See the way it can fine for eye. See the way it can be. Then one apply and put for face. See the way my face will be. Oh yeah. Now I full and spot. Now we go apply this thing. Then after we don't apply am, we will see the way the face go be later. But you go dey apply am small. Don't be say go just walk like magic. Not put am for under your eye. Because if you put am for under your eye, go squeeze there. Because this thing want dry oil wey dey our face and na spot wey still dey our face. It want still dey clean am small. So that's why I say make you no put am for under your eye because it go squeeze our face. So make them not go squeeze. That's why I say make you not put am. Just apply as I dey do my own so. After you don apply am like this, you go leave am for 30 minutes so that it go dry the oil. Then you go clean your face. Just leave am for 30 minutes after you don apply am. This thing cold because I put am for fridge. If you want still apply am reach your neck, problem not dey. But me, I no wan apply am reach my neck. Just apply am like this. Make sure say you apply am well. If you want still use brush, no wahala. Still use brush. But me, I wan use my hand. That's why I use my hand to do am. My hand I dey comfortable with. So you leave am for after 30 minutes, I don wash am. See the way my face come be. Then see the way my face come dry.